Hello, so this question is find the difference. So you're given two strings s and t, and basically the s and t are exactly or almost the same. So there's only one character difference. So you just have to return a letter that was added to the string t. So in this example, so here we go. So here's it. So you have a, b, c, d, right? And then in the string t, you have extra character, which is e, right? And in this one, you just have to return e. And same thing again. So if s is empty and t is y, then you return y. So how do we actually solve this question? Is pretty straightforward. So I'm giving two solutions. So the first one is going to use the counting array. So the counting array from size a to z, right? So it's going to be 26, right? And then you can use int to sort it, right? And then two in for this question, one int array for s and the other one for t. Then you put every single, you increment the frequency into the counting array, and then at the end, then you just compare if they are the same. If they are, then you skip. If they are not, then you return the current character. So this will be it. And another one is using the XOR notation. So if a XOR a, right? This is going to be this is going to be cancelled out, right? So it's going to be nothing. And if a XOR something like 0, something like this, right? Then this is a, right? So just imagine 1 XOR 1, 1 XOR 0, 0 XOR 1, 0 XOR 0, right? This is going to be what? 0, 1, 1, 0, right? So using the same idea, so let's just start coding the most easy one. So using a counting array. So I'm going to say count c, count s, new in 26, and the other one is going to be count t, new in 26, right? And I just have to traverse the counting, the string character, and then just basically just increment c minus a, and then you increment because there's only 26 space in the array. And then if they are just look at the ASCII table, the value is definitely greater than 26 because you're starting from a lowercase a, right? And you just have to subtract by the lowercase a to starting from 0, and then this is going to be exactly the same thing but slightly different because you are traversing another array, right? C and t, c minus a, and then you increment. So now we have both frequency array, and then we just have to compare, right? So it's going to be what, for int I equal to 0, I less than what, 26, and I plus plus. So if cnt s at I does not equal to cnt at t at I, right? They are different, which is the character you add, right? So you just have to return char, right? And then this is the index. So since we minus a, right, we have to plus a. We have to plus a back, right? And then at the end, you just have to return the empty char array. So this is going to be pretty much like a simple solution. So it's pretty straightforward. So let's talk about the time and space. So in this one, this is a space, all of 26. So this is pretty much it, right? So this is for the time, this is all of s, this is all of t, this is all of 26, right? So for the worst time complexity, I'm going to take the maximum between s and t. So t is always the maximum length, right? So it's going to be all of t, and the space is all of 26. So here is a quick note, right? Time and space complexity for this solution. So another one, this is going to be exactly the same thing but using the bit operation. So I'm just copy and paste, just quickly guide over. So I'm going to traverse the string array s, and then I'm using the XOR notation, right? And then traversing the string t, and then using the XOR notation as well. So if there is a single character which is the only one remain, then you have to return. So let me run the code. So submit. So this is going to be pretty much a solution. So for this, there's no space. Space complexity, this is constant, this is time, right? So the worst one is going to be all of t. So this is a solution. So if you have any question, leave a comment below, subscribe if you want it, and I'll see you next time. Bye.